Today I'm here in the glorious city of Aberdeen to experience some of the live examples that we're seeing as part of Aberdeen City's regeneration project. How every sector, the sum of all the parts, are making a significant difference to this city. Why have you invited me up today, Jane?
Why have I invited you up today, Kimberly? See our wonderful team. We're doing lots of interesting stuff, but we're doing interesting stuff across the country. But we're particularly proud of our gift card. We're particularly proud of Restaurant Week, Upper Floors.
And just thinking how much different it feels to have arts and culture as a key part of a regeneration strategy.
It's really important to us, And there were sceptics because we were one of the first, and you now see a liberal sprinkling of mural tours right across the UK.
There is so much exciting things happening in Aberdeen, and not to mention the work that we've already seen and heard many times this year already on the work they're doing to support their vacant properties.
As a project manager with Aberdeen Inspired, I am the project coordinator for the Union Street Upper Floor Technical Panel and project, which is born out of a collaborative effort from within the city to reimagine what our main street, Union Street, looks like, what it offers to local people and communities within the city, working with partners like our Union Street, the City Council, and businesses. We have managed to collaboratively to almost halve the vacancy rates that were in place in Union Street over an 18-month period. One of the key benefits of this project has been that open kind of spirit to collaborate with all of the relevant partners. But that approach that has allowed, for example, City Council officials, along with business representatives, architects, building owners and property agents, each with their own different perspectives, to consider what the barriers are to each of the spaces, which is a key element of what the project does, and then understanding the extent of consensus that there might be from that group around what the alternative use for the upper floor space. As a result of seeing what the consensus looks like, that will give the owner or any potential developer to hit the ground running with whatever it is that they look to try and transform the space into.
As the local authority, Aberdeen City Council have worked very hard over the last few years to regenerate our city centre. So that's work with Union Street, for example. We've got a lot of works happening, and we'll show a new Union Street, a new city centre, something that's not been done in the public realm for more than 200 years. We have to redefine what a city centre is. So we need to transform our city centre a more residential area, and making sure that not only the businesses in the shops are vibrant, but also that the upper floor are well occupied as well. So we are getting there slowly but surely. And I think it's important that other local authorities follow in our footsteps. It's important that government understand that we need all the help we can get, not only regarding funding, but regarding policies, changing the policies to make them a bit more favorable for regeneration of our city centre. So it's a vibrant city centre. So we are pleased to know that other local authorities will come here to follow our example.
It would be remiss of me not to mention Aberdeen Inspired, because they're a fantastic bid, a bid with placemaking at their core. And I think today being able to do this tour in conjunction with Aberdeen Inspired has just been great in getting in and out of some of these small, vibrant businesses who are really making this a thriving place.